Being on the coaster means you're all in. It means you're in a secure, functioning relationship. There are 2 principles for that. We tell each other everything, and the relationship comes first. So here's a couple. They're supposed to both be all in. She's been all in. She knows things aren't perfect. She knows that there are problems, but she thinks he's at least trying. She thinks that they're at least still both trying to live by their agreements, their covenants, their promises to one another. And then all of a sudden she finds out that this has been the reality, not this. Well, guess what? If this is the situation, one person is telling each other everything, saying the relationship comes first, but the other person isn't, that's not safe. So what does she do? Off the coaster. Because how can she trust? She thought he's been here all along. He says he's going to climb back up there, but is he really? Can she trust it? So she jumps off. Now, what happens next? He's saying, I'm sorry, I was wrong, I was stupid, I was pig-headed, all this. Okay, I'm so sorry. No, I want to be with you. How does he get her back on the coaster? He gets on the coaster. And for a period of time, he's on the coaster while she's not. He is telling her everything. She's very reserved. He is saying the relationship comes first. She's still saying, I need a safety plan. I need a plan B just in case you don't stay sober. And he's going, I'm all in. And she's going, maybe you are, maybe you aren't. If he's like, well, fine. If you're not, then I'm not. Well, what did he just do? He just confirmed exactly what she thought. See, you didn't really mean it. What's got to happen is he's got to get on the coaster and stay on the coaster consistently over time so that she's like, okay, maybe you're safe. Probably not, but maybe so. But probably not, but maybe. This feels good. Nope, that feels scary. I'm sorry. Okay, but maybe I do. Until I'm here, I'm on the coaster, I'm not going anywhere. And she's like, okay, I believe you now.